guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for this video, I will be sharing with you how I did this look. Ang daming nag-request kung paano ko ginawa to sa isang video ko. I think yung room decor haul ko. Medyo may nag-message sa akin sa Facebook, may nag-message sa akin sa Instagram, and some of you wrote your comments sa video na yon for me to do this look. So I'm recreating the look right now. So ayan siya. I hope you like this video. This is very super affordable. You guys will love it. Please keep on watching. Bye! Ito pa lang yung ginagamit kong primer. May na-try na akong iba, pero so far dito ako mas sanay. And for everyday use, okay na okay si Maybelline Baby Skin talaga. So ayan, lagay na natin siya sa ating fez. So ayan siya. Gel base siya. Medyo, hindi naman siya super oily sa feeling. Actually, it smoothens the skin. Parang oily lang yung feeling for me. Pero hindi. Ayan. Minimizes your pores as well. Make the foundation stick longer. Yan po ang mga benefits ng gumagamit ng primer. So, after the primer, syempre, foundation na tayo. And for the foundation, this is the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour full coverage foundation. Yan ang itsura niya naman. Yan naman siya, guys. Ito si Superstay. Ang shade ko dito is 112 Natural Ivory. Yan yung shade ko kay Maybelline. I think, di ko alam kung ito ba yung pinakamaputi or not. Pero, ayun, nandun siya sa range ng medyo light na sa skin. So, with the foundation, blending sponge, is-spread ko lang siya sa face ko muna. Super, a little goes a long way for this one. Hindi mo kailangan na super dami kasi full coverage foundation talaga siya. So, ayan, na-blend out na natin yung foundation sa aking face. And may natitira pa akong foundation dito sa back of my hand. So, ilalagay natin siya sa areas ng face ko na medyo kita yung blemishes para totally covered siya. So, like this area, yung mga areas, certain areas lang naman. It's fine. You know why? Kasi, kakulay naman ng buong face yung foundation. Ako for me, instead of putting concealer na iba yung kulay sa iyong foundation, it's better, lalo na kung full coverage naman si foundation. Carry lang, kahit siya yung ilagay mo. Continuing, syempre, dun tayo sa concealer. With the concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. Alam ko, lagi nyo itong nakikita sa videos ko. Yes, lagi ko siyang gamit. As in, lagi ko siyang gamit. Pero it's good for everyday. Hindi siya super coverage. Pero, alam niyo yun, it's good enough para ma-cover niya yung dark circles ko and all that. Kaya I use that for everyday. So, ayan. Ang tip niya is parang brush tip. So, for me, hindi siya masyadong worth it pag ganito kasi hindi mo talaga nagagamit yung fullest ng product. Unlike having the wand or the foot wand na meron sa concealer. Parang mas trip ko yung ganun kaysa dito kasi doon talaga masuscoop mo yung last product doon sa tubes. But this one talagang piga-piga. Minsan kahit anong piga mo wala na unless gugupitin mo talaga to. So, yun lang. Sharing! So, yan. Lagyan na natin siya sa under eyes ko. It's a bit yellow undertone pero carry lang. Yan na ang base natin. That's very simple, you guys. Ang next step ko naman is powder. For the powder, still the Eyeshadow Final Powder. So, ayan siya. This is in the shade Ivory Glow. Ito yata yung pinakamaputing shade din kay Eyeshadow ng product. Then, yan. Para masulit siya. Then, dipping my sponge, tapos baking tayo, guys. Actually, for me, whenever I bake, mas matagal yung coverage at yung product sa aking face. Kaya I like baking my whole face. For some, it looks weird, pero alam mo yun, laking tulong niya. Sobrang tagal ko mag-oil out pag nagbe-bake ako. Kaya, ayan, bake to the finest tayo today. I proceed agad sa aking eyes. So, yan. While baking, gawin na natin ng ating eyeshadow. So, i-zoom in ko kayo ng very slight. You guys are zoomed in. For this step, isa lang po ang gamit-gamit kong eyeshadow palette. And you will not believe it, guys. I used the Caroline eyeshadow palette. Ito lang yung ginagamit kong palette, guys. No joke. Siya lang yung gamit ko. Yan ang itsura niya. I have the base. Mixing it up with these two. I'm good to go. So, okay. Sample. So, for the first step, kuha lang tayo ng product. The first product na kukuhanin ko in this palette is, sorry, malabo. The first product na kukunin ko is this one. Sobrang pigmented nito, guys. Kaya, be careful. See? Sobrang pigmented niya. Then, spreading that product all over my lids. Pakonti-konti lang mga besh. Huwag masyado. Kasi mahirap as you guys know, mahirap magbawas kesa magdagdag. So, chill lang kayo sa powder at sa eyeshadow. So, yan. Pag nakita ko ng ganyan yung itsura niya, parang di marunong tutorial. Pag ganyan na siya, pag na-spread ko na siya until here, sa may brow bone area ko, yan kasi magsiserve as transition color natin. So, once na okay na yan, I proceed with this color. And ito, kahit dalawang ganyan lang, sobrang pigmented dito. Wala tong shade, wala ding palette number, pero at least nakita niyo yung colors na available dun sa palette. Tanong na lang natin kay Caroline kung meron. Kasi parang medyo matagal na sa akin tong palette na to. Sila pang nagbigay sa akin nito nung sumali ako sa Caroline Click. One that's blended. Magmi-mix lang ako ng konting brown shade. Ito medyo glittery na mas darker reddish yung tone than dun sa nauna. See, sobrang pigmented niya. Oh my gulay! That's how tamad I am, guys. Ginagamit ko lang isang brush to blend everything out. So, after that, kukuha ko ng isang malinis na brush. Ito siya. And I will spread and I will blend everything well. In that way, mas naghalo-halo yung colors. Then, using the same brush, medyo magkakalat lang yung last color na ginamit natin if yun pa din yung gagamitin natin. So, after that, the magic lives on. Just like in Enchanted Kingdom. I'll get the red shade na sobrang pigmented din. As in, yan. Nakikita niyo ba yan? Then, I will add pop sa outer V ng lid. As in, super konti lang. Tapos yung natirang red, i-spread natin sa inner part ng lid. Parang magiging red-pink lang yung itsura niya. Hot na red. Parang ganon. Mas nagmukhang dramatic lalo yung aking mata. Dahil naglagay tayo dito sa ilalim. Some are scared kasi parang it makes you look older ng konti. Pero worry not. Lalo na kung gumagawa kayo ng parang night look talaga. It makes it look even better pag naglalagay kayo dyan. So, there. Now that's done. I proceed with the liners. So, for the liner, I'm gonna use this eyeliner, TW liner. Yun yung itsura niya. This was from ellebeauty.ph sa Shopee. Thank you guys for giving me these. So, this is a jet black liner. Tingnan natin. Maybe ganun siya. Oh my god, paano buksan? Ayan. So, swatch natin siya. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Obvious ba? Hindi masyado. Pero I like it that way, na medyo manipis lang siya. This is very easy to use, ha? May asim lang siya ng very, very slight, pero sobrang dali niyang gamitin. And as you can see, it's a matte liner. No shine or anything. Ang dali niyang gamitin. Ang bilis ko lang nag-liner, pero hindi ako sanay mag-eyeliner. So, yan. I'll put the link down below for TW Eyeliners price and kung saan niyo siya mabibili. But that's from ellebeauty.ph in Shopee. Then, next, mag-curl lang tayo ng lashes. I'm still using the TW, I think it's OTW. OTW, oh yeah, On The Way Beauty. On The Way Beauty eyelash curler. I like this. This is so very chic, as in matte black. Tapos gold yung rims niya dito. Sorry, maingay asa ko. Pero yan, gold yung rims niya dito. Sobrang chic, sobrang classy. So yeah, let's do this. I haven't changed my curler for years now. Sorry. Pero yun, kasi sobrang nahiya ako sa curler na yun. Hindi niya sinisira yung lashes ko. But this time, let's try to use something different naman. So yeah, let's curl our lashes. So now we proceed with the lashes. For the lashes, I'm using the FZL lashes. I got this from Landmark Trinoma for 39.75 pesos. At ang ganda ng lashes na to. As in, from the inner part, medyo maikli siya. Going to the outer part, sobrang nagiging pahaba ng pahaba siya. So, very great siya para sa winged liner natin. So, let's use this. For the glue, sticking pa din ako sa glue ko. I'm using the Eyeshadow eyelash glue. Nasa ganitong lalagyan siya. Yan, nasa ganitong lalagyan siya. And ito lang yung laman niya. Though, a little goes a long way. Sobrang dikit ng lash glue na to, kaya nakakatuwa siya. Now we're done with the lashes. It looks so good. Next step is black liner. Ano muna, tanggalin muna natin yung mga binake natin dyan. Para malinis na siya. See, mas smooth siya tingnan pag nag-bake talaga. For the baking powder, I'm using the Eyeshadow True Colors Collection na powder blush. Where this one is like brownish. Cool rum yung shade niya. Medyo reddish brown yung itsura niya. So that one we're gonna use as our bronzer. Slightly contouring our nose. Next is the powder blush. I'm gonna use the Caroline Oil Control Blush on in the shade pinkish blush. Yan ang itsura niya. So, use that. Sobrang pigmented din ito. Very, very light lang. For the highlight, the main event of this makeup look, I'm gonna use the Advanced Glow Out Highlighter in the shade Strobe. Ito yung highlighter ni EB Advance. Yan siya when you swatch. Just for you guys to see. There. Hindi siya masyadong shimmery, but hindi din siya masyadong glittery. Highlight talaga siya. See? It's very nice. sinasabi natin, mga bes. Then, we'll use a bit sa ating inner part, inner corner. Now that we are done, we're almost done and we're done with the highlighter. Next and last step natin is lipsticks. And for the lipsticks, I'm using this Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Fired Up. This is from Sleek. And this is super, super red. As in red. That's why we will top it off later ng gloss. Sobrang, di ba, opposite niya. This is a matte liquid lipstick, tapos mag-gloss tayo. Pero ito kasi yung red, as in red na meron ako. That's why, ganon. So, later, we'll tone this down a little bit using the gloss. But for now, let's put this liquid lipstick on. Done. Sobrang dali lang. Next step is this color combos na gloss. This is a smooth lip gloss in the shade smoothie yung shade niya. So may pagka pale brown yung color niya. So that will lighten up the matte liquid lipstick na nilagay natin sa ating lips. So there, it's really, really nice on my lips. So that's our final look. Yan ang hinihiling yung look, guys. I hope you like this video. Please do give it a thumbs up. And with this giveaway, I will be giving away some of the stuff that emilybeauty.ph and Shopee gave me. So with this, you will be receiving this. This is a This is a bowl in creating your own face mask. So, yun yung itsura niya, guys. I will be giving that away to you. Plus, I will be giving the OTW mascara. So, this is yung mascara na binigay nila sa akin. I like their products. It's really, really nice. At the same time, I'm giving away this. This is the Travel Careless. This is their travel kit, travel pack. So, with this, meron kang kit for na-display. Meron kang kit for shampoo, conditioner, whatever that may be. Meron din ditong parang for lenses, lip gloss, whatever you want to do with it. Kayong bahala kung anong gusto nyong ilagay. Merong, patawag dito, spatula-ish siya. Meron din siyang pang-squeeze, pangkuha ng product. Kung ano bang ilalagay nyo dyan. Oil, yung panglagay dito sa face, na oil essentials. Kung may dadalhin kayong ganun, na gusto nyo na sa travel pack. This is all yours, you guys. So, yan, you have 3 products to win in this giveaway. So, all you have to do to win those is, first, you must be a subscriber of mine. Like this video, follow me on my Instagram account at Eunice Halili. At the same time, you must like my Facebook page at HaliliEunice. So, that's it, you guys. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!